What's up guys, great news is coming from MI. For Xiaomi fans, November is going to be a big month. The Chinese tech giant will announce its first smartwatch, the MI TV5 series and MI CC9 Pro on November 5 in China. For outside China, the launch of the MI Note 10 and MI Note 10 Pro is what they are looking forward to. Xiaomi is yet to announce a launch date for the MI Note 10 series, but the full specification for both the phones have been leaked on Twitter recently. The specs were posted on Twitter by a user that goes by Mehak Goswami, and specs of both the devices are as follows. MI Note 10. MI Note 10 will sport a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display. This phone is powered by Snapdragon 730G processor coupled with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage, and this is the first Xiaomi phone to sport a Penta camera setup at the rear, including 108MP of primary sensor plus 16MP of wide-angle lens and 12MP of another sensor with 2x optical zoom and 32MP of selfie camera. This phone is packed with 4000 mAh of battery, which comes with a 30W fast charging support. There is an IR blaster, NFC and audio jack too. Coming to the specification of MI Note 10 Pro, MI Note 10 Pro will sport a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate, and this phone will be powered by Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset coupled with 6GB and 8GB of RAM with 128GB of UFS 3.0 storage. This phone also comes with a Penta camera setup, which includes 108MP of primary sensor. This phone comes with a 5x optical zoom and 32MP of selfie camera. The battery remains same, that is a 4000 mAh battery, but comes with a 40W fast charging support, IR blaster, NFC and audio jack. So these are the leaked specs. We will not confirm it yet, but this is the most expected specs of MI Note 10 and MI Note 10 Pro. MI Note 10 is practically the same device that is launched in China, which is MI CC9 Pro. While it is possible that the Xiaomi may include 2x optical zoom to differentiate it from the Pro version, we doubt they will give it a smaller battery capacity. The Tena listing for the MI CC9 Pro already revealed the phone has an 5170 mAh of battery. Also, the MI Note 10 Pro should have the same battery capacity too, or even larger. So these are the details we received so far about the MI Note 10 and MI Note 10 Pro. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.